I make over $50 per minute every single day from the comfort of my home. Doesn't that sound incredible? What if I told you that you could make this much money too? All you have to do is learn one easy trick that you can use repeatedly to make hundreds of dollars from the comfort of your home. The trick is typing, which I'm sure everyone in this room is familiar with because these days, even 3-year-olds can type. In fact, I'll even give you a bonus website that you can use to double your income with this method right now, so you don't have to worry about anything. But before we continue, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video, and don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd like you to go to this website right away, which is called typingtest.com. This website essentially allows you to test how proficient you are at typing. Don't worry, the test they have on this website is quite simple and only lasts 60 seconds. Down here you can see 2 drop-down boxes that you can select from. The first box determines how long the test you take will be, and the second box displays what your test will be. Because you want to take the standardized test, you should select the I won't bore you with a minute of me typing the test. So let's move on to the next section of this video. What you'll do here is type the words that you see on your screen as quickly and accurately as you can. Don't try to rush it because if you make a lot of mistakes, your accuracy will be very low. Just try your hardest. If you're not satisfied with your typing speed, you can click on the left-hand option that reads Typing Courses. As you can see right here, taking this course will allow you to double your typing speed, even if you're happy with your current level of proficiency. They will then give you your typing speed and accuracy, and you will multiply those 2 values to get your net typing speed. Before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far and if you found this video interesting and informative. Once you've finished the typing course, take the typing test again to see if your typing speed has improved. There's a good chance it has, so once more, I want you guys to take note of your net typing speed and visit the website that will be paying you for typing. The website I'm referring about is called Rev, and you can find it here. For those of you who aren't familiar with transcribing, it's basically where you type the words that you hear in videos. Don't worry, it's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is watch a video and type every word that you hear, as you can see right here. You can choose from 3 options. Rev.com is a website where freelancers can sign up to be transcribers, translation of foreign and English subtitles. Now, the amount of money you'll make depends on the choice you select. For example, if you selected transcription, you'd earn $1.25 per minute and would only be performing basic transcriptions. The third option will pay us the most at $3 to $7 per minute, but it will also be the most difficult because you will be translating audio from a foreign language, so this is not for everyone. The English captions option pays us $1.25 per minute, but requires you to caption videos instead. Simply scroll down to the very bottom of this website and click on this button that says Become a Freelancer, which will take you to a page where you can. All you need to do is enter your first and last names, email address, and password, clicking the Create Account button here. You will then have your totally free account and be able to access the website. I'll show you a different website with fewer freelancers so you may find more work. As you can see, the second website I'll show you today is Transcribe Me at transcribeim.com, which is another transcription website where people can hire others to transcribe their videos. However, you won't be doing the transcription yourself. Instead, you'll want to create an account because you'll have the chance to advance professionally, pick your own hours and work location, meet people from all over the world, and most importantly, make money every week. Everyone starts with transcription, but as you gain experience, other positions will open up for you below. However, let's focus on this section on the right first. This is an excellent feature of this website because it eliminates the need for you to actively seek work, because the jobs will be delivered to you by this website, directly transcribed forever, and anywhere you want. There are no specific work requirements. If you're feeling overburdened by your workload, take a break, unwind, and then get back to work when you're ready. Transcribe short, 2 to 4 minute clips rather than extended interviews. Unlike Rev.com, which sends you whole videos, this website only gives you short bits, so you won't be overwhelmed by the transcribing process. This website has a lot of benefits, so let's take a closer look. You should first enter your basic information, such as your first and last names, email address, then just tick this box and press the Create Profile button. All applicants who successfully complete the course will be contacted shortly and will have paid work available. In some cases, you may be placed on a brief wait list while they process your registration, but don't worry, it usually happens very quickly. After completing the brief registration process, your next step will be to complete their training and exam course. Because they still require numerous additional transactions, you can now deposit thousands of dollars into your PayPal account by finding transcription jobs and starting to type. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other ones, hit the like button, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. If you have any additional questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.